2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, remote keyless entry, overhead console, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.